The Mekong Delta is one of the Vietnam's most unique and fascinating destinations. A trip to Vietnam would not be complete without experiencing the Mekong Delta. This is iconic Vietnam. We're waiting for our driver of the boat and looks like he's coming. And we're about to start our tour on floating market in Mekong River. I'm feeling very excited. We're getting closer to the market and the sunrise is on the way. It's already our second time on Mekong River. Last time it was in Laos a few years ago, but that time we didn't take a boat ride on Mekong River and it felt like it's incomplete. So today we're on this boat and we're very happy because we wanted to do this for a long time.
Yeah, but also we picked up just a random tour and added to be a private tour just for us.
We've decided to visit Gai Ran Floating Market, which is the biggest and the most impressive one. The market starts at about 4 a.m., so we had to get up very early to see the Mekong River becoming alive with the sunrise and see people preparing for the long day ahead. Nowadays, Vietnam floating markets are no longer what they used to be. People are moving to bigger cities in search for better jobs. So the number of boats at the Vietnam floating markets is constantly decreasing. Even though tourism is still keeping the floating markets alive, who knows for how long more we will be able to see them and experience them. The first thing on our itinerary was breakfast. As you could probably guess, we had it on board.
Okay. Way too much.
Delicious traditional Vietnamese soup that was exactly what we needed that morning.
Oh, is it?
Oh, it's very good. Yeah, it's actually no lie.
After the breakfast, we headed to explore Mekong Rivers canals. The small canals are a network of waterways that flow through the lush landscapes of southern Vietnam. As we navigated through the narrow waterways, we were able to witness scenes of traditional river life. While exploring Mekong's canals, we've noticed a lot of garbage, especially plastic. The Mekong River is one of the 10 most polluted rivers in the world. While older generations can't easily change their habits and lifestyle to prevent pollution, it's heartwarming to see that young people in the region are taking actions to address and solve the problem.
Now we will stop at the rice noodle factory first.
Here?
Yeah, and then we go to the small canal later.
We've made a few stops along the way. First, we visited a small rice noodle factory where we haven't just watched how people make rice noodles, but also tried to make those ourselves.
Yeah.
Always poppies in the rice noodle factory.
Almost people here love dogs.
So this is it?
This is the rice paper. I've never seen. I tried in the spring roll, but now we can see it. Our guide advised us to visit one more place, and we came to Coco Farm, and everything here smells like chocolate right away when you just enter into it, so I love it already. This is our amazing guide Heen. We were lucky to have her with us, as she knows everything about Mekong Delta.
Okay.
So,
You can try. Let's
yes,
try
I
it.
can. Alright.
Don't eat the seed, just eat the flesh, the white flesh.
Okay. Oh.
A little bit sour and sweet, right? Tastes good, right?
I like it.
In 1960, my father, he went to Malaysia and he took some fruit like this, bring back here, he blend the cocoa trees. After 3 years, he got many fruits and he told me you should learn how to make a chocolate. 1960 in Vietnam, nobody know about the chocolate. So I have to read the book, French book, Le Cacao Français. And me and my old sister tried to make chocolate by hand. with the crunch over there in the corner. In the corner. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And crunch.
Try it, please.
Very bitter. Sweet and bitter, right? Like a
100% cacao, not mix anything inside.
This is the coconut butter. And cosmetic for you. Very good for skin.
Carol, do you want to drink hot chocolate or cold chocolate?
hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Maybe me hot too.
Hot chocolate.
It's fantastic, right?
We love visiting small local businesses. It allows us to learn about local culture, disappearing crafts and old traditions. If you're interested in places like this, watch this video where we share our experiences visiting few craft villages near Hanoi. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.
What's your favorite place in Mekong Delta?
I stay here. I study here and then I work here. And the weather, I don't like Saigon much because it's quite crowded and hot. And I love the people here.
People are very nice.
Yeah.
Part of the tour is the pineapple boat. We're going to try pineapple.
Well, it's not my first pineapple, but it's a nice spot to have one.
In Mekong Delta, there are 2 seasons. The rain season and dry season. With the dry season, the fruit will more sweeter.
Oh, and now?
Sweeter.
Our last stop, Farmers Market. Here you can find literally everything. Keen advised us to try some local snacks.
What is that?
What is
Rice paper. Real rice paper.
But it's for eating, right?
Yeah, let's try it.
We find places like this very interesting. Another day we visited one more local market on our own. We saw locals trading their colorful goods, from freshly picked fruits and vegetables to the catch of the day. We spent our weekend exploring Mekong Delta area. It was definitely an unforgettable experience. Coming here let us learn more about Vietnamese people and their life. Thank you so much for watching our video. Leave your comment below and hit the like button. See you in the next one.